Hello everyone, good evening. Our today's video topic is final and super keyword in Java. In Java, there are some special type of the words which are already defined and having some special type of meaning to compiler. These are act as a keyword. So the keyword are nothing but they word are act as a key to code. So in Java there are the approximately 52 keywords. Those are act as a key to code or having some special type of the meaning for compiler. So as our today's video topic is uh, final and super keyword in Java. First I will start with the final keyword. So the final keyword is a keyword that is used to apply some restrictions on the variable or on the method or on the class. So that is a final keyword. We can use final keyword with the variables, with the methods, with the class also. So I will explain them one by one. First I will start with the final variable. So when we use the final keyword with the variable, then that variable is known as the final variable. So the final variable are behave or act like a constant. It means once we declare that variable, we can't change its value. It's only become the constant. So when we have to make any variable as a constant, then we use final keyword with the variable. So we must have to declare or initialize that variable at the time of the declaration. When we don't initialize that variable at the time of the declaration, then it is known as the blank final variable. So when we try to change the value of the final variable, it shows a compile time error. So that was all about the final variable. Next is a final method. So we can use the final keyword with the method, then that method is known as the final method. So we declare any we declare method as a final when we don't have to use that method or after extending that after inheriting the class. So it means the method should be complete in nature. That time we use the final keyword with the method. So there are some important point this we have to consider at the time of the using the final keyword with the method. So these important points are we don't use final and static keyword together with the method name or with the method, because it not make any sense, because the static keyword is belonging to actually it is belonging to class instead of the instance of the object. But we declare the any method final when it is complete in nature, so it not make any sense. Next, we can't use the abstract as well as the final keyword with the method at a time, because these two words concrete each other. It means they making the cross meaning. It means when we declare the method as a final method, then we can't change its value or its statement after declaration. Then and if we use the abstract keyword with the method name, then the method should be abstract. It means the implementation should not be there. The method should have without the body. So these two concepts are the exactly opposite from each other. That's why we can't use the final and the abstract keyword together with the method name. Next thing is we can't use private and uh, private private and final keyword together with the method name. because same it will not make any sense, because when we use the final keyword with the method, that method is a final method, and when we use the private method, it means that method is only accessible within the class. So the both having the same meaning, so we can't it will not make any sense to use this two keyword together with the method name. So guys, that was the all about the final method. Next is a final class. So the final class is a class, we declare any class as a final when the class is in complete in nature. It means the class don't have any type of the abstract method. All the method of the class are the implemented and having the complete in nature. That time we use the final keyword with the class. So that was all about the final keyword, and next I will explain what is a super keyword. So the super keyword is a keyword that is used to inherit or to call the properties of the parent class. Actually, there are the two concepts, that is a super class and parent class. uh, Actually that concept happened or occurs in the case of the or come in picture in the case of inheritance. So the super class is a class from which we derive which property we extend in a subclass. So next is a subclass. So subclass is a class uh, which is derived from the superclass. So in case of the super keyword is used to call the properties of the parent class or the superclass. So the next we can invoke or call the constructor of the superclass by using the super keyword in a child class. So by using the super keyword we also can invoke or the call the variables of the superclass in subclass. We also call the method of the superclass in subclass by using the super keyword. So guys, that was all about the final keyword and super keyword in Java. Thank you so much.